Hi humans, we're doing some mystery box unboxing today. As you can see, not at home, this is my mum. So we're going to go through some mystery boxes that she's got us online.
So yours is a beauty and makeup mystery box.
Right.
And I don't know if your viewers want to know, it was £34.
Oh, not bad.
I've forgotten how many products it should have in it, but something like 12. And you had a selection of coloured skin, so fair, medium, dark. And
Oh, they didn't have one for milk then?
No. no, they didn't have one for vampire either. No.
Damn it.
And I got myself, I think it was just a beauty mystery box.
Right.
So mine's £29, but it's got less items in it.
Oh, already seen that I've got a eyeshadow palette. I guess it's eyeshadow on its face. So it's bronzer, blush, or 2 blushes and a highlight. Oh, all cruelty free as well.
Excellent.
It's LA Splash Cosmetics, not one I know, but I might like this because it's the Moonlight one. Ooh. That's the colours. I have a feeling that the bronzer is probably going to be way too dark for me, but we'll see, because it might just mix okay with my... I sometimes mix them with my face powder and it works out okay. Got Espa body wash. Ooh, bergamot and jasmine.
Ooh, bergamot and jasmine. Love that sound.
Do love a good bergamot.
Okay. I've got... Is that a cosmetics bag?
Well, that one looks like a face mask at the top.
Face mask. Right. Let's open it up properly.
One thing that you can't use. But it's got a bag with it.
There might be quite a lot of things in here that I can't use, but as I have a business selling things online, it's not a big deal. So it's a cow cream
Smug. That's not a good brand even.
Okay. And these face masks.
Yeah. Different selection of them.
We all need those these days, don't we?
Well, we might do soon.
Really?
It's coming up to winter again as well, isn't it? So...
Oh,
I've also got
put them to one side. Let's hope they were freebie.
Yeah.
Oh, I've also...
I think we might have some of the same stuff.
Got a face palette, Moonlight Glow, so I would say that's the same as yours.
Got Illamasqua foundation.
Wow, that's a good brand.
I love Illamasqua. I've got one of their highlights that I need to get rid of.
That's your money.
That's actually very close to my colour as well.
That is all the money there, at least.
Oh God,
I would have thought, if not more. Oh, I've got bath bomb. I can't use a bath.
Yeah, so have I. We both have built-in showers that don't have a bath attached to them. So
that'll be a Christmas present for someone.
Yeah. That yeah. Skin exfoliator.
Oh, I like a bit of exfoliator.
It depends what it is for me. Some of them I do, some of them I don't.
Oh, look at this. Seed.
I think we've both got exactly the same stuff.
Lightweight conditioner. I mean, this is a good brand.
I like the packaging as well.
Yeah, it's a good brand. It's vegan, so I can use it.
Yeah.
So, very happy with that.
Yeah.
I have to say. Like I say, a good brand.
Yeah, I think they're both exactly the same, what we've got.
Yeah.
Got a Wow London lipstick. Have a look at what shade. Oh, this is a very me colour.
Oh, yes.
It's quite similar to the one I've got on now, but like a bit brighter. Oh, I like that. That's gorgeous, is that?
Got a sheet mask.
Also got a sheet mask.
Yeah, collagen, vitamin C, aloe vera, cruelty free. Korean thing. I don't know if it's vegan.
Usually Korean beauty is vegan.
Yeah.
There's very few vegan, non-vegan brands in Korea, in K-beauty that I know of. Got a deep conditioner that's
also
inspired by Rosé.
Rosé brought, in fact.
Neither of us drink.
There you go.
Bath salts.
So it infused with wine and strawberry extract. Wine.
Bath salts that are also Esper.
Oh yeah, Esper bath salts.
You'd think if you were doing two, you'd send
it's
two
a shame
different
that
ones.
I would use them.
Got a bergamot and jasmine cleansing bar.
There we go. And again.
I think there's only like 2 or 3 things that we both
Oh,
don't
it
have.
smells lovely.
Oh, that is very nice.
Right, got the
You haven't got the foundation. I think I haven't got that. So got a eyeshadow brush. I like the texture of those.
I have got Christopher Robin Colour Shield Mask for hair, which I believe is quite a good brand.
You don't have dyed hair.
Oh, oh yeah, I'm natural grey. Natural grey. I can't see if
I've
it's
also
vegan
got
either,
a Beauty Crop eyebrow gel. I shaved my eyebrows off.
I don't do eyebrows, as you can see. I've got caterpillars.
Yours are really fine though, so you can't actually see them.
Yeah, it's annoying actually.
To be fair, I'll keep hold of it because knowing me, I'll probably grow them back at some point. Oh, I have got a big curly curl enhancer. Yeah. I don't often do my curls anymore, but I possibly.
And it's Aveda.
Yeah, Aveda is a good brand as well. Oh, and I've got a multifunction brush from Wow London. Solar Power Body Scrub. Okay.
It's an illuminating sugar scrub. Oh, it's plant-based. Vegan. Highly effective, feel-good formulations are packed with natural plant-based additives to deliver results that you can see and feel. What's it so coloured? No, it's just a pot, it's not in a...
I assume it's just that it's like meant to be illuminating and that's the solar power.
Oh, I've got a VV cream. Gentle exfoliator.
I've got
intimate
the same one.
skincare for the V. There you go. I don't think it's vegan. It's a big thing for me. And then I've got 3 lipsticks in total. So I've got the...
I think they're all Wow London.
They're all Wow London, 57, 52 and 52, so I assume that's the same colour.
The one I've got is 52. I don't know why I'm looking over here because my phone's there.
And that's it. But I think that's pretty good value, to be fair. So
34 quid. Oh, I like that. It's like a brown.
Like a brown shade. There you go.
But yeah, that's it. Fantastic. Definitely worth the money. Yeah. See you later.
Bye.